Mike Foster here. Guess what? I'm in LA of all places, and I'm going to the world famous Pink's hot dogs. Gonna try the hot dogs. My wife wants some onion rings, and I'm gonna eat the street at Pink's. Let's do it. There's the famous chili.
That's good. The best.
You hold up the 9-inch. You hold up the 9-inch for me too.
The 9-inch.
And the 12-inch, I mean. There you go. Ooh, thank you. Beautiful. Hey, you're gonna get one of these heads. This is our order. This is some fries with nacho cheese. My wife got onion rings. That's the Carl Reiner. It's got kraut mustard. And that's a pastrami Reuben dog, right? Wow. Okay, there's Pink's. This is the Carl Reiner dog. Good snap, good casing, like they say, and delicious. Now here's check this out. Get down here. These are fries with nacho. I never eat this. It's a mess, but that's delicious. This guy has a nice skin and casing and snap. Famous Pink's in Los Angeles. Eat the street, go out there and try different things. Check out Live Life 365. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Can you say it again? It wasn't on right in the first 2 seconds.
It wasn't?
Can you just say Pink's? Just pick it up.
Okay, one more way. There's the Baba. All right, that's enough. What you doing?